Hello, let's talk about the sensors which are used in electrical and electronic applications. Sensor is nothing but a device which takes some kind of input and with the power applied to it, it delivers some kind of output. It usually takes analog input and delivers analog output. And in case it has to be used with some kind of microcontroller or a computer, it has to pass through certain analog to digital conversion. The commonly used sensors in the industry are magnetic sensors. Magnetic sensors in the sense if there is any magnet or any metal close to it, it senses. Or there is a certain kind of gas sensor which are used in industries, pressure sensors, or the mass flow when there is a flow of certain material or liquid. Then temperature sensors like PT100 and all, which are very famous in used in industries, or infrared sensors like they sense the infrared with the photodiode arrangement, or an infrared module sensor where we have some input output and then supply, or a rotary encoder. There is you get some rotary movement and then the output is delivered, or a humidity sensor. So these are the load cell. The load cell is in fact for used in for heavy load to be measured, or a PIR sensor. We call this a PIR sensor. That is pyroelectric sensor, or in practice it is used for sensing the human body temperature, sensed temperature arrangement. Like for example, if there is any approach human body which emits every time infrared, it also catches. And ultrasonic operates usually at about 40 kilos, and those kind of sensors, they send and receive. That's the transmitting arrangement, the receiving arrangement, and finally deliver some kind of output. So typically, or we talk about the MEMS, which senses the vibration or the position, or maybe XYZ. Like for example, this kind of arrangement where if he fits an equipment and then wirelessly transfer the entire information here and being seen in the TV here. So there are several kind of sensors. We have talked about only a very few here, but the whole world is comprising of the electronics world or the electrical world or the factories. They use a huge number of sensors for understanding the input parameter and developing some output for some action to be taken. Thank you.